So far it's been really good, like it's really well organized, and the opportunity to explore about Jakarta, and also for us to represent what we do. It's an amazing platform. I've never been to Jakarta before this, so I thought it'll be an amazing opportunity to come and see what Jakarta is about and be part of something that's here. So I'll be doing a cooking demo today, and tomorrow I'll be doing chef's table, and I also have a private dinner at Sheraton Hotel. So we have few interesting dishes that we're going to be doing. For example, we have a dessert which is made out of black olive and rhubarb and strawberry. So it'll be quite interesting to see. So we try to do something really different here. Actually, some of it I brought from Singapore, and some of it I've found the ingredients from here. In Sri Lanka, the seafood is really, really good, and also we use a lot of chili there, and we also like a lot of tamarind and a lot of like lemongrass, pandan, things like that. I'm hoping to explore as much as I can about Jakarta and Indonesia.